My name is Lindsay Scott, and this is my Tell the World project. For my project, I opted to write a letter to the editor of the newspaper. I initially submitted this about 1 month ago to one newspaper. When it was not published, I opted to submit it to a second paper. I'm still awaiting a decision on publishing for that. I wrote a letter based on how I feel about my job and how I want my patients to know how I feel about what I do in the emergency department. Since I was still awaiting a decision on publishing, I opted to print it out and put it on the communication board at work. It's a central communication board near the cafeteria where patients and visitors and staff may be able to view it. I was pleased to see several people reading at the communication board, and I hope they read my letter and got something out of it. Nursing is a work of art, or heart, as some would say. Nurses work long shifts, go without meals, go without sleep, skip the bathroom breaks, miss weekends and holidays at home, and would not change their choice to become a nurse. At the heart of a nurse is the want to ensure that you are healthy, ensure your child does not hurt, your parents are well cared for. We want to care for you, help you in your time of need, save your life, hold your hand at the end of your life, ease your pain, and help you through your time of crisis. We want to make you better than we found you, to do whatever it takes to heal you and comfort you. We will advocate for you and your wishes. We will stand up for you when you aren't able to. We are here for you. This was an extremely difficult letter to write. When I started looking at the parameters for submitting this letter to the editor, I only had 150 words to say how I felt. Initially, I stared at a blank page for the better part of an hour, unable to even start my letter. Once I was able to start my letter, I wanted to keep writing. It was so difficult to attempt to condense how I really felt into 150 mere words. I wanted the community to know that at the heart of it all, the emergency nurses are here to care for you and for their families. We're here because we want to see you better.